Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to connect Razorpay to your Wix website. Open your Wix dashboard and go straight to Settings, then Payments, and select Add Payment Method. Create or log into your Razorpay account and retrieve the API key ID and key secret from the dashboard. Keep your business details and bank info handy for verification. Return to Wix, paste the keys, enable Razorpay, and test payments with a small transaction. Start by signing into Razorpay and finding API keys under Settings. Click Generate Key and copy the key ID and key secret carefully, storing them securely. Keep testing in test mode using sample cards and UPI to verify flows without affecting real funds. Make a sample order on your Wix site to confirm the webhook and payment status update correctly. Once tests pass, flip to Live mode and monitor the first few transactions closely for any issues. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear payment tutorials. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep sauces from ruining lunches, which I love when testing sites between meetings. They save time and reduce spills during busy setup days. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you pick some up, enjoy the convenience. Now let's get back to the video. In Wix, go to Settings and choose Payments to add Razorpay as a gateway. If Razorpay appears, select it and paste your key ID and key secret into the fields provided. If you need extra features, install the official Razorpay app from Wix App Market and follow prompts. After saving, create a test product and complete a checkout to confirm payment success, receipts, and order status update properly in both systems before going live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.